Looking at number 11, two things stand out. One, I don't have really a fraction, so I can just put this over 1. And 2, it is dividing. So that means I'm going to have to flip the second term. Let's just look at the first term and simplify the first term. So if I'm looking at this first term, I have a number in front, meaning I'm probably going to have to factor by grouping, which is okay. We just have to remember how to do that. So 6 times negative 15. You want to do your A times C. So it's the A times your C. 6 times negative 15 is 90. So it's going to be negative 90 because there is a negative. Now I just want to list factors of negative 90, which is negative 9, 10, positive 9, negative 10, and I want to add up to a 1. So negative 9 plus 10 does give me 1. 9 minus 10 is a negative 1, so I'm actually going to use these two factors. So I'll split up to 6x squared minus 9x plus 10x minus 15. And right now I'm just going to be factoring this out. So if I'm looking at these two and those two, between 6x squared and negative 9x, I can pull out a 3x, which will leave me with an x minus 3. And then in the next part, from 10x and negative 15, I actually can pull out a 5. So what I want to do is not make my screen crooked, but I want to pull out a 5, which leaves me with 2x minus 3. Whoops, I forgot a 2 right there. That's why they're not the same. If they're not the same, that means you did something wrong, which is why I had to go back and check. But now that they are the same, we can continue. So that means 3x and 5 are my one binomial, and 2x minus 3 is my other binomial. So my top now is going to be 3x plus 5 and 2x minus 3 all over 4x squared. Now, because it's division, we have to flip it to then multiply. So here's my little multiply symbol. I'm going to flip it, meaning that 1 is going to be on top now, and I'm going to have a 3x squared plus 5x. Something that is in common with both of them, they each have an x. So why don't I just pull out an x already, and then I'm going to have a 3x plus 5. All right, so that's what I'm left with. Now let's see what I can cancel out. The first thing I see that I can cancel out are these two guys, and then I'm kind of left alone. I can't really cancel anything else out. So what I'm actually left with, that's okay, I can write that out. I am left with 2x minus 3 on top over 4x squared. There's nothing more I can do. It is okay to leave it like that, and that's just what I'm going to do. So this is my final answer.